Fuel up your English. Understanding, fueling up. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a very interesting phrase that you might hear in everyday English, fueling up. Whether you're at a gas station or gearing up for a big day, this term can pop up in various contexts. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and learn how to use this phrase effectively, keep watching as we explore its meaning and usage. Fueling up is a phrase with a literal and a figurative meaning. Literally, to fuel up means to fill a vehicle's gas tank with fuel. It's what you do at a gas station when your car's running low on gasoline. You stop by, take the pump, and fuel up your car. But it's not just for cars. This phrase can be applied to anything that requires fuel to function, from motorcycles to your body. Yes, that's right. When you're eating or drinking to gain energy, especially before doing something that requires a lot of energy, like running a marathon or taking an exam, you're fueling up too. Now, let's put fueling up into action. Here are a few sentences that show the phrase in different contexts. Before the long drive, we stopped to fuel up the car. I'm fueling up on coffee before the meeting so I can stay alert. Marathon runners need to fuel up the night before with a meal rich in carbohydrates. As you can see, fueling up is versatile and can be used in various situations where energy intake or replenishment is involved. Fueling up can also be used figuratively to describe preparing for something that requires a lot of effort or resources. When someone is getting all the necessary materials, information, or resources ready, they could say they're fueling up for the task. For instance, we're fueling up on information for the upcoming debate. The team is fueling up with new equipment for the season. In different English-speaking countries, fueling up might be understood slightly differently based on cultural contexts. For instance, in countries where road trips are common, the term might be immediately associated with preparing for a long drive. However, the cultural reference remains consistent when talking about preparation and gathering energy or resources across all forms of English. There you have it, a complete guide on the phrase, fueling up. Whether you're talking about putting gas in a car or loading up on carbs for a run, this term is handy to know and easy to use in various situations. We hope this video has been informative and helps you feel more confident in using fueling up in your English conversations. Until next time, keep learning and fuel your passion for English.